It's easier than ever to make 3D printed models in a dental or orthodontic office. Here's how it works. First, take a digital impression with an intraoral scanner. At the computer, export the scan as an STL file and open up Preform. Click the Scan to Model icon and import your scan file. Use the rotation tool to position the occlusal surface away from the build platform, the trim tool to cut off unneeded scan data, and the base height tool to add extra height if needed. Send the file to the printer, and with draft resin, it will be done in less than 20 minutes. Wash the model in isopropyl alcohol for 10 minutes, and post-cure takes just 5 minutes. At this point, a diagnostic or study model is done. Or you can use the model to make appliances right in your office. Even for same-day delivery. With this easy way to 3D print models, the power of digital is within reach for any practice.